Bajrang Punia had once threatened to go to court over it. Sakshi Malik has questioned the qualification process, and HS Pranoy earlier this year said something like this can happen only in India. Yes, India's national sports awards, or more importantly, the Khel Ratna and the Arjuna awards, have become more about controversy than celebration of the best and the brightest. And of course, this year was no different, with a record 5 Khel Ratnas being handed out. The highest number before this was in 2016, after the Rio Olympics, when 4 Khel Ratna awards were handed out. But what about the 5 this year? Let's take a look at some of the winners. Rohit Sharma, with his 5 centuries from the 2019 ICC World Cup. He was, of course, also named ICC's ODI Cricketer of the Year. And then there's Vinesh Fogart with her bronze medals from the World Championships and the Asian Championships in 2019. There's also the 2 golds that she won in the Asian Games and the Commonwealth Games in 2018. But the controversy was sort of sparked by the remaining 3 recipients, or the winners of the Khel Ratna this time: Manika Batra, Rani Rampal and T. Mayappan, the Paralympian. Now, Manika Batra, as she walked on the screen to accept her Khel Ratna award in the virtual ceremony, the announcer officially declared that she was winning her Khel Ratna for her 4 medals at the 2018 Commonwealth Games and the 1 bronze from the 2018 Asian Games. Now, the only point of contention here is that for these very 5 medals, she has already been awarded the Arjuna Award in 2018. Similar story for Mayappan, the Paralympian. He won a gold medal at the Rio Paralympics in 2016, for which he was given the Arjuna Award in 2017. But for that very achievement, this year round, he was given a Khel Ratna. So how really does this work, right? How do you win the highest sporting honor and the second highest sporting honor of the country based on the very same accomplishments? You haven't won the medals again, you won those very same medals in that very year. And in fact, in Manika Batra's case, there's been very little in the way of accomplishment for Manika since 2018. And of course, the question that must be asked, and of course has been asked, is what was so pressing and what was so important in these performances from 2016, 2017, 2018 that the selection committee and the sports ministry decided to award an unprecedented 5 Khel Ratna awards this year? Because according to the Khel Ratna awards guidelines itself, and I quote, there will only be 1 award every year to be given to an individual sports person, and this condition can be relaxed only in exceptional circumstances. So what really was so exceptional in these performances from 2016 and 2018, both of which have already been rewarded before by earlier selection committees that thought that they were deserving of the Arjuna Award, but 2 years later, 4 years later, this selection committee has decided those performances are worthy of the highest sporting honor of this country? These are questions one won't really know the answers to, because every year there are controversies around the National Sports Awards, hardly any clarifications. But another point that was raised before the ceremony this year was that of Sakshi Malik. Now, Sakshi Malik is a Khel Ratna awardee. She's won the highest sporting honor in this country following her bronze at the Rio Olympics. But according to her, she had put forward her name for the Arjuna Award this year, and she did not want the Arjuna based on her old performance, for which she had already been rewarded. But according to her 3 Asian Championship medals and the 1 gold from the Commonwealth Championship in the window for the awards this year from 1st January 2016 to 31st January 2019 were enough based on the point system to have won her an Arjuna. But the reply that she got, her name in fact was in the 29 names that were recommended by the selection committee to the sports ministry for the final awards. But the sports ministry pruned that list following, of course, the criticism that they faced for so many awards being handed out this year. And the 2 names that were taken out from the Arjuna Awards list were Sakshi Malik and Mirabai Chanu. So, the reason that Sakshi was given was that she had already won the Khel Ratna before, and therefore there was no need for her to win the Arjuna Award.
अभी बड़ा मिल गया तो क्या हो गया? क्या अर्जुन की वैल्यू नहीं है? ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए. सबकी अपने अवार्ड्स की अलग महत्व होता है. अर्जुन अवार्डी साक्षी मलिक, अर्जुन अवार्डी जो भी जिससे भी मिला है, तो मैं तो चाहूंगी फिर तो यही है कि अभी रेसलिंग लाइफ में चाहे मैं और मेडल्स दे दूं या अगला ओलंपिक्स में दोबारा से मेडल ले आऊं, तो अर्जुन अवार्ड का सम्मान तो मुझे नहीं मिलने वाला है. ये तो मैं सोच के चलूं.
There were of course questions asked on social media about why Sakshi would be greedy enough to want both the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna and the Arjuna Award. Well, one of the reasons that, of course, Sakshi hasn't mentioned, she didn't even talk about it. One of the reasons could be that the Arjuna comes with certain perks from state governments, states that the athletes come from, like the allotted land, they have retirement benefits, there's a salaries increase. So a lot of that comes with the Arjuna. The Khel Ratna, of course, was only introduced in 1992. Therefore, those perks don't come with the Khel Ratna. Don't ask me why. Those things, of course, are one of those things that we'll never really understand. So despite, of course, Sakshi making all those valid points and asking all those questions, her name wasn't put forward for the Arjuna Award, and she did miss out this year. But well, if these national awards have been anything, they have been consistent in being confusing and controversial. So let's hope that Sakshi wins a couple more medals in the coming years and does win herself that Arjuna.